Today we're going to look at the Layers feature on VestaPlus. The Layers feature is useful for running searches using a variety of boundaries, such as school district, area, and subdivision. This is useful for clients interested in listings that are serviced by a particular school or within a specific neighborhood. Once you've entered your criteria within the VestaPlus listing search or zoomed into your area of interest, click on the Layers icon at the top right of the screen. When searching the map by layers, you'll see that there are two options, Search and View. When View is selected, you can break down the map like you always have, by area, subdivision, county, city, zip, neighborhood, and school district. We've also added 3 new layers: primary school, middle school, and high school. You can also search by multiple layers by clicking on different layer boundaries. For more details on the features shown in this video, please feel free to chat with us, call us, or visit our new VestaPlus help section. Thanks for watching.